Hello everyone, this is Dr. Humanist again. Let us now discuss about system biology. Okay, it is an approach that focuses on the study of biological systems as a whole. Okay, rather than just individual components. What does it use? It uses the computational modeling, high throughput data collection, and bioinformatics to understand how various biological parts interact within the network. Okay, so what are the key features? Integration of data. So it combines data from genomics, proteomics, metabolomics, transcriptomics, and other omics technologies, and it utilizes both experimental and computational data to create a comprehensive view of biological processes. Okay. Next is modeling and stimulation. Okay, simulation. Sorry. It develops a quantitative models to simulate a biological process and predict the outcome. It uses systems like dynamics, differential equations, and agent-based modeling to represent the interaction. Okay. Next is network analysis. It focuses on biological networks like gene regulatory networks or metabolic pathways to understand how the components are interacting with each other. It identifies the key nodes like genes, proteins, and which can be significantly impact the system behavior. Next is multi-scale approach. It addresses the biological phenomenon at multiple scales, from molecular to cellular to organism levels. Integrates information across levels to understand emergent properties of biological systems. So some of the applications we'll see, like drug discovery and development. Like you can create a simulation to see how the drugs can affect the biological system. Suppose in humans, if you are testing. Personalized medicine, as it is also studying the genomics, so how a particular drug will act on the individual. We can study synthetic biology for designing new biological systems. Okay, now you can see this is system pathobiology. Same principle we are using to study the disease. Okay, so how the complex interaction and mechanisms underlying the disease processes we are studying by analyzing the biology system involved in the pathogenesis. So key features focuses on the disease mechanism. How there is alteration we are studying. Alteration in the biological system which is leading to the disease state that we are studying. Like cancer, diabetes, autoimmune disorders, neurodegenerative disorders. We are seeing the what is the complex pathways or networks which are getting affected in these diseases. Next is integration of clinical data. It combines all the lab research, clinical data to correlate the biological findings with the disease outcomes. Okay, it uses the electronic health records, patient database, biobanks to analyze the disease patterns. Okay, it will integrate all the data which have been collected, maybe lab research data, clinical data, everything, and it will analyze the disease patterns. Okay, next is computational modeling in disease context. What does that mean? It develops a modelet that simulates the disease progression, response to the treatment, and interaction between different biological systems. Like a simulation, it will see how a disease will progress in a simulated model and how that disease will respond to certain treatment. Suppose if you want to develop a new drug for a disease, we can say that this is how the response will be there in the simulation model. Okay, so it employs the machine learning, artificial intelligence for predictive modeling, right, which has been now commonly started being used in the medical science. Next is biomarker discovery. Potential biomarkers for early diagnosis or prognosis or even for the treatment response can be identified. Okay, and with that also we can use the system level analysis to uncover novel therapeutic targets. Some other biomarkers we can target for the particular disease, that also can be studied. Personalized medicine, as we just now discussed in system biology. So how an individual patient profiles and specific disease mechanism. So every individual will respond differently to different drugs, that we all know, because of that is a part of genomics, right? So we can utilize this patient specific data to inform treatment strategies for a particular person, or personalized medicine, that is what it is called. Okay, so now coming to the application, it understanding the complex diseases like cancer, where multiple pathways and genetic factors are contributing to the pathology. We can investigate the infectious disease and host pathogen interactions.